Intro upbeat music and Rome Tips logo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RomeTips.com. Today we're diving into a cool iPhone feature, Music Haptics. I'm going to show you how to turn it on and customize it, so you can feel your music in a whole new way. Screen recording starts. Alright, first things first, we need to jump into the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Accessibility, and tap on it. Now scroll down again, this time looking for the Hearing section. In the Hearing section, you'll find Music Haptics. Tap on that. Okay, to actually turn on Music Haptics, simply toggle the switch at the very top of the screen. You should now see a play sample option. If you tap that, you should feel some haptic feedback that matches the tune.
Pretty cool, right?
Below that, you'll see a list of apps. Right now, only Apple Music and Spotify can work with Music Haptics, but on my phone only Apple Music supports it. Once you're all set, you can exit the Settings app. If you open Apple Music and start playing a song, you'll see the words Music Haptics underneath the timeline, confirming it's active. Now you can enjoy your music with haptic feedback. Show how to toggle from Control Center. But wait, there's more. You can also quickly toggle Music Haptics on and off from your Control Center. To do this, swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the Control Center. Now, we need to add the Music Haptics control. Tap the plus button in the top left of the screen, then select Add a Control. Scroll down to Accessibility and click on Hearing Accessibility. After that, click on Music Haptics.
You can then drag and drop the Music Haptic button wherever you want it in your control center.
You can resize the button too. Now, swipe up from the bottom to go back to your home screen, and swipe down from the top right to open the Control Center again. You should see the Music Haptics button, and you can toggle it on or off with a tap. Super convenient.
Outro.
And that's it. You've now mastered Music Haptics on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to RomeTips.com for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks. Keep in mind, this is based on my personal experience, so your results might vary slightly. All the relevant links will be down in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.